But what happened years ago, they used to say mold. That's why there's 100% mold exclusion on policies now. You can't have anything that's mold or microbials. Like, you don't have any mold coverage in your policy at all. Zero in 100% of the insurance policies. The reason being because attorneys jumped on board and said, hey, if there's mold in the house, it could be detrimental to your health. So they would literally go into one of those houses like we just left in the neighborhood, and they would gut the whole thing down to the frames. They'd pull out all the furniture, all of the clothing, have to go have it professionally cleaned to get rid of any mold, all the mold remedial stuff, right? Then they would go in and gut the house down to the studs to get rid of all the sheetrock, any insulation, and all that. So they would spend at the time, $150,000 house, they'd spend $200,000 remodeling the whole thing because they tested it and it detected mold.
Which always, it's in the air,
right? It's in the air. So what they did is State Farm, after numerous years of getting a beating on the mold process and the mold mitigation and all that, going through that whole thing with all the attorneys, after years of doing that, and then you had turned around and you had Hurricane Katrina and Hurricane Rita hit back to back on the Texas Gulf Coast.
Yeah.
State Farm said, we're done, we're out, we're not fooling with Texas anymore, we're out of here. And George Bush jumped in and said, you've collected money all these years on all these claims or all these insurance premiums. You're not leaving because people are starting to file claims now. You're going to stay here. So the federal government actually got involved and made them stay in the state of Texas. That's why State Farm's still here today. Hey guys, this is Andrew Dumas. This is SWAT Life.